Hello friends, welcome to my channel Raza Cool in English. So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you that if you have Mitsubishi AC and it is not cooling properly and despite using AC you are sweating and electricity bill is also coming very high. And you have also filled gas in AC of yours, then your AC service has also been done and you are very troubled by this problem, then this video is for you. So let's start the video. First of all, lock the gas of your AC. There will be no gas problem in your AC if the gas is locked. After the gas is locked, you open the hole and separate the pipe of the indoor unit so that there is no problem in getting the indoor unit inside. Now you take down the indoor unit. Now we will separate its entire parts as you can see. Unscrew the 3 screws under the cover. Take off its front cover. Now you open the front cover. It has 3 locks on the top. Open this lock and take out the cover. Now we will take out the drain assembly with light hands. It is a little weak. We cannot apply much force in it. Now separate the drain pipe and swing motor attached to the drain assembly. Remove the drain assembly separately. Now open the whole set of PCB. Now remove the coil sensor from the coil. Separate the fan motor wire from the PCB. Then after that the PCB will be separated from the body of the AC. After opening the PCB, keep it in a safe place where water or splash of water does not come. Now you separate the blower by unscrewing the screw of the blower. Unscrew the screws on both sides of the cooling coil. Take out the blower by lifting the cooling coil from the side. Now by unscrewing the screw of the fan motor, easily remove the fan motor from the body. Take out the coil by pressing the plastic lock on one side of the cooling coil. Before cleaning the cooling coil with water, apply tape to its pipe so that water does not enter inside the AC pipe. In AC, the air throw is less and the air comes less and the sound of air cutting comes. Then you clean the AC in the same way. Believe that your AC will work like new and the electricity bill will also be very less. And your AC, the air throw will also increase a lot. The garbage is trapped inside. This garbage will come out from the pressure of the jet pump. Do not work in haste. Do it comfortably. When you are satisfied that the AC is clean, only then wash the other parts. Cooling coil is a very important part of the indoor unit, so keep cleaning it until all the debris is removed. Clean the cooling coil thoroughly with the help of surf, water and jet pump. Now with the help of jet pump with clear water, surf clears the water. Your AC is not cooling the room and it is taking a long time to cool the room, or you are sweating while running the AC, then you must get this type of pump down servicing done. In this you will not need to fill gas. You can see that there is a lot of garbage and dust in the blower. It is very important to clean it with pressure. Without pressure the prop is not clean. Surf cleans the blower with water. If you clean the blower like this, then believe me, the flow of your AC will be completely new and your AC will start cooling the room quickly. Now clean the blower with clean water. Now with the help of a brush, wash the blower with surf water. Washing with surf water starts smelling in the AC and a little bit of dust stuck to it will also be cleaned. Now let's wash the remaining items of AC as well. With the help of surf water, wash the main cover of AC as well. Now make surf water washing powder water in a bucket so that you can rub and wash the things. It is also necessary to wash the remaining plastic main cover with surf water with the help of a brush. Some stains remain which need to be rubbed. Now clean all the parts with the pressure of the jet pump and remove them separately. Your AC is not cooling, it is taking a long time to cool the room, or you are sweating while running the AC, then you must get this type of pump down servicing done. In this you will not need to fill gas. Now let's wash the remaining items of AC as well. After washing all the items, you leave the item like this for a while until the water comes out. After that you wipe it thoroughly with a dry cotton cloth. Then we will put all the items back. Now we also seat the cooling coil and fix all its screws. Also install blower. Also fix the screw of the cooling coil. Putting the motor's connector in the PCB, put the PCB back. Let's put the coil temperature sensor in the coil. Attach the swing motor to the drain assembly of the AC and attach the drain assembly. Also attach the display. Now let's put the front cover on. Also tighten the 3 screws of the cover. Also attach the swing flap. And also attach the filter net. Now if you fit your indoor unit back, then your AC will work like a brand new AC. Hope you have understood the information given by me. Then do like my video.